Hello, and welcome to another episode of JJ Adventures in Traveling. Today's episode is going to be day 4 of our Southern Caribbean cruise on Odyssey of the Seas. But before we get started, if you like this video, please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Now, on to today's episode. So we started out our day 4, which was another sea day, having breakfast in the main dining room. And on the way into the main dining room, we got to see the lovely moving pictures on either side of the wall. It was very entertaining, and the breakfast was delicious. We then headed to the music hall to play another exciting bingo game with our favorite bingo caller, Dominic. He was a great crew member. We also then headed to the 270 to play trivia with Dominic and with Marcus, our other favorite crew member. The views at the back of the ship were just breathtaking. The 270 was also where we had a Taste of Caribbean seminar. We got to taste different drinks from different areas of the Caribbean. We had 6 different drinks. They were all delicious. We had yet another delicious meal in the main dining room. Then we headed to our cabin briefly to see the latest towel animal from our cabin steward, and then it was off to see Tap Factory in the Royal Theater. What a great show. So that ends our day 4 on Odyssey of the Seas, our Southern Caribbean cruise. I hope you stay tuned to our channel to see more days of our Southern Caribbean cruise. As always, if you like my videos, please think about subscribing to my channel. Click the notification icon to get notified when I post new videos. Smash that like button on this video if it really helps my channel out. And if you have any comments on my video, please enter them below.